Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're looking at some Bluetooth headphones. I haven't reviewed Bluetooth headphones on the channel in a while, but this comes to us from Pogo. So, start the video. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Pop. Alright guys, so in an endless series of stuff that I have to review on the channel, this is the Pogo Veenax wireless sport earphones, well, earbuds. So let's just pop this baby open and see what it looks like. Alright, so you do have a nice little pouch case here. Just take it out, and on the inside you do have a nice little start guide here of how to pair it up. So let's just toss that to the side. And I want to send a big shout out to Pazzo and to T Frank for having their videos out. I've had mine for a while, I just haven't had a chance to actually unbox it. But check this out, guys. So this is a micro USB cable, and you do have some extra earbuds, and you have a nice little, it's almost like a mesh and like a fishnet look here. But check how fat these are. These definitely actually look like the Pixel Buds. I know T Frank has said that on her video, but she was not lying. Check this out, guys. So if you guys want to see her video, I will have her video actually linked down below, as well as Pazzo's. So here we go, guys. The Veenax Pogo wireless headphones, and you do have a magnet here so you can wrap it around your neck. So now let's pair this baby up and see what it sounds like. And you have the power and the volume up and down on the little remote control that says Veenax or Veenax in the back. Shout out to Haynes. Let me play this real quick. Alright, so let's play this. Alright, so we got the ads popping up. Okay, definitely got volume on this. Oh, so how much do these cost? Let me just check. I'm gonna check how much these cost, because they actually sound pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. They sound pretty good. They're very comfortable on my ears. So if you guys have like the Apple AirPods or like the Samsung ones, they're very comfortable in my ears for those. So these might fit the same exact way because they feel pretty comfortable. So let's just head into the Amazon listing. Alright guys, so on Amazon they do have these for $32.99, and you have a coupon where you get it for 30 bucks. And I can honestly say they actually sound pretty good. I could definitely recommend these. It's a little bit bulky looking on here, and they look a little bit weird on your ears probably, but they actually sound pretty good. The songs sound like a little bit far, but they do have some great quality on these, so I could definitely recommend them. Alright guys, so if you guys want to buy this product, the link will be down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of Bluetooth headphones from Veenax, and more tech to come. So, to the next video, guys. Peace. Right, left. Later.